Garden Cloches, a simple guide to protecting your plants. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of gardening, specifically focusing on garden cloches. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, understanding how to use garden cloches effectively can make a significant difference in your garden. So, let's unravel the mystery behind these protective covers and learn how they can benefit your plants. Garden cloches are essentially protective covers used in gardening to shield plants from the cold, pests, and other outdoor elements. The word cloche is French for bell, which accurately describes the bell-shaped covers traditionally used. However, today's garden cloches come in various shapes and sizes, including tunnels, which are perfect for covering rows of plants. The primary benefit of using garden cloches is protection. They create a microclimate that offers warmth and humidity, which can extend the growing season by protecting plants from early frost, shield young plants from pests and animals, promote faster growth by maintaining a more consistent temperature and humidity level. Garden cloches can be made from a variety of materials, each with its own set of advantages. Glass cloches, traditional and aesthetically pleasing, but heavy and fragile. Plastic cloches, lightweight, affordable, and versatile. Fabric cloches, great for protecting against frost, while allowing water and light to reach the plants. To get the most out of garden cloches, consider the following tips. Placement. Position the cloche over the plant, ensuring there's enough space for growth. Ventilation. On warm days, lift or remove the cloche to prevent overheating. Watering. Water the plants either early in the day or by removing the cloche to ensure they receive adequate moisture. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of using garden cloches in your garden. With the right approach, these simple tools can make a big difference in the health and yield of your plants. Happy gardening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.